was very, very kind and sent us an amazing hair, so I can give you guys my honest opinion and my review. This amazing hair is 26 inches long. This is it, guys, on my skin. Let's wear. So now comes like this. This is the back. Comes with this pin to secure it. Yep. So we are going to try it. Let me tell you guys something. I really love the fact that I haven't even tried to melt it down the skin, and it's already giving. It's giving what it's supposed to give. So if I try and make it just all the way down, look at it. Yeah, so let's get it. I've done this before, so I'm just going to put some music, and you guys know the drill. You guys know I'm super excited. I don't know if you guys can tell. So Vshow, man, just let's do this again. Let's do this again, because, and it doesn't have the back band over here, which is something that I usually really like in hair, because there are some people that let me tell you guys something that I also love about this hair is the fact that it easily really settles down and glues down, because I didn't have a band to use, and I feel like it has really settled down without the struggle of having a band. But still, next time I would still request that I get a band. But it's a plus for this hair, the fact that it doesn't need a band. So guys, we've come to the end of the video and this is the final look. Tell me what y'all really think. I'm not such a fan of the little edges because I don't know how to do them perfectly, but I feel like it's giving what it's supposed to give. Man, tell me what you guys think. I really love and enjoyed doing this unit. And kama kawaida guys, I am leaving a special code hapa and the details about this hair. So use my link and my special code to get a couple of discounts off your next purchase. I love you guys. Bye bye.
Yo, hey man, anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Those when me rockin' at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with this squeeze silicon and real bless. Can a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rockin' a sleeveless.